Have a spray bottle filled with drinking water in your kitchen near your microwave. Food tastes much better if you spray some on top of it before reheating it. Microwave oven works by exciting and vibrating water molecules in your food. If your food feels dry after reheating it in the microwave, rice for example, try spraying some water on top of it. It will retain moisture that way and will taste much better. Edit. Adding this since my post got a little bit of attention. Lot have commented that you can use damp paper towels, but I'm stingy AF, so you do you. If you are using damp paper towels, Bounty recommends only a short period of time and make sure the unprinted is in contact with the food. Not sure about other brands though. Do your research. Thanks y'all.